So how was Lennox's first plane ride? Oh! The baby broke the window. Oh my gosh, how much is that gonna cost? Because airplanes are not cheap.
Considering if it's Airbus or Boeing, if the company raises its prices or the airline raises its prices to fix the aircraft, they request the aircraft manufacturer to repair it, but it's gonna be expensive. So you will instantly get poor in that. The reason the reason if there's the reason why it is a big problem for the airplane windows is cabin depressurization. Yes, cabin depressurization. Like like aircrafts fly at high altitudes to fly to avoid mountains, of course. But if there's no there if there's one window that is missing, you are instantly gonna die. So save your baby from that and pay the thing.